they just landed a helicopter. A helicopter. So yeah, they landed a helicopter on our quad. Alright, it's Tuesday and we're in the MU marketplace, just like a little store, getting some yogurt. So started off today with meetings, had a meeting about upcoming projects that I can't really say anything about because it's not happening yet, but once it does I will let you know. I don't have any classes on Tuesdays. I actually only have one in the afternoon, so I spend most of the day, doing work, meetings, homework. Got my bike fixed, so I'm gonna pick that up. Thank you.
Jalapeno?
Chips. Vlog sponsored by chips. Dirty chips. Dirty potato chips. Daniel, he used to live on the floor. This is his girlfriend. Hi.
The floor.
Or not
the building.
Building.
Yeah.
Good old Laban.
Woo!
God. How are you?
Let's go.
Guys, everyone come
Americans.
out to Asian American.
Yes.
Look at this president.
Look how cool I am.
Look at his.
You want to feed the ball into the panda? Woo!
Yes.
This is the best club on campus.
Best club in campus, yeah.
Okay.
For the shot.
You should join it, Bobby.
That was worse than my first attempt.
Mine is like basically that.
What kind of panda is this?
Are you serious?
Hey.
My name is Bobby. You should join this club because I'm in this club and I'm the coolest. Kevin is add on.
Completely false. Come back to me. You should join this club because you get to meet some awesome people. We have fun events planned every week. Great general meetings. We're gonna have lots of food. I bake for most of them, so if you like baked goods, you should come out.
Bowling. Corn maze. Asians. This is Anarita. She used to live across the way. I purposely would just not put her in the vlog because she got annoyed I accidentally didn't bring my camera to like my first lecture
It
I
was
had with
a
her.
joke, Annoy.
And so then I turned it into let's just not feature Anarita. But hey, there she is. Hi. Great. There's a helicopter and it's supposed to take off and I want to see it take off. That was amazing. I wish the camera would show exactly how hazy it is, but it really doesn't. But it's super hazy. It's like, oh, hello, cute dog. It's like, and I'm sure it's all the Santa Rosa fire and Napa fires, which is just terrible, how much that has destroyed. But it looks like and smells like as if Davis was on fire. First and last class of the day, only class of the day, TCS 1, Intro to Technocultural Studies. A tip, if you can't find a spot to lock your bike at, easiest thing you can do is lock your bike to a bike that is dead. This, and the sky is legitimately a smoky color. So it's I'll try to put a map of California over this part, but basically we're in Davis and the fire is burning out of Napa County, and it's getting closer to Vacaville, and basically we're close enough that this is what the sky looks like.